Morning everybody, it's Max and Kim. We just checked into our new Airbnb here in Malang. So that was a 3-hour train ride from Probolinggo.
We're staying in the middle of the little blue village, which is next to the colourful one. It's absolutely adorable. We're wearing matching shirts because we're just as cute as this place.
We'll show you a real quick room tour because this is absolutely amazing. So this is actually like the shared area down the bottom with some communal space and stuff. So that goes all the way up there. As you come into the room, you've just got so much space. Really nice style, really well set out. Nice little area for charging.
Look at this floor.
It's pretty cool. And we even got a TV. I don't think we'll be watching the TV, but like it's cool that we have one. It gets better, guys. You're like, how does it get even better? Just wait till you see the bathroom through this bamboo door. Awesome shower standing overhead. This place has hot water as well, which is super cool. And we've got a real toilet. Guys, this is the crown jewel. This is rare. You actually get your little bag to get shampoo, some soap, and a toothbrush, and a tiny, tiny little toothpaste as well. $24 New Zealand a night is what we're paying. We just booked it for 2 nights. We actually had some travel credit as well, so it ended up being, I think, like $25 for the whole stay here. So, if you want some travel credit, so you can stay in amazing places like this and get mad discounts, we're gonna leave a link down below as well. If you click that link, you get $50 off your first Airbnb purchase. So we're in the middle of the Blue Village. Just over that bridge right there behind us is the colourful town, colourful village. We were gonna go check that out right now as soon as we got in. But as you can see, it probably won't be the nicest. So I think for now we'll just get some rest, some relaxation, and then we'll check in with you tomorrow morning. Boom. Good morning. We just arrived at Tumpak Sewu Waterfall. What time is it now? 7:20. It was just under a 2-hour scooter ride here this morning. The roads were pretty hectic when we left, even though it was only about 70 kilometers from Malang where we are at the moment. Maps said it would only be about 40 minutes, but it still took just under 2 hours. So if you're not that confident on a scooter or you don't like long scooter trips, maybe get a car. We didn't because we thought a car would be even longer, maybe 3 or something hours. Yeah, just because of the traffic, cars struggle more than scooters. We did leave really early to try and get here before everyone else, so it's currently 7:20. I think we made awesome time. Yeah. It opens at 7 o'clock here, so it costs 5,000 to park here, and then it costs 20,000 rupiah per person. Kim, talk me through what's actually going on just up there.
Well, it's currently erupting.
What?
Yeah, I don't know.
Hey Kim, what are you doing?
Getting my phone.
How did it get down there?
It's a slippery phone, it fell. But I got it.
This is a slippery path. Make sure that you don't wear jandals or thongs. Make sure that you wear sandals or covered shoes.
The steps get skinnier and skinnier. At least though, the engineers have been here. This, my friend, is metal. Not bamboo, but metal. So to get down to Tumpak Sewu at the bottom, it's another 10,000 rupiah per person. Do a thank you. And then to go to Goa Tetes, which is the waterfall just over there, it's another 5,000 rupiah per person. Stunt it! Work it! Danger! Place is absolutely beautiful. I can definitely see why they call it 1,000 waterfalls. Check out the situation we got to film here with the camera. Nice! Keeps the camera dry. We're just having some chocolate sammies to fuel up before we go head up the next waterfall. I'm actually just so blown away. Like, it's Tuesday, 9 AM. Wow.
What did you do on Tuesday?
Oh my goodness, guys, there's even more waterfalls.
1012.
So it says it's about 100 meters to get to the second place. This path is probably just about as hard, or maybe a little bit harder than the one that you come down to get to the first waterfall. It's pretty steep, eh? We're about halfway up and the path just literally changes into walking straight up the waterfall. Not too sure what the end destination is. Not many guides around or many locals at all. We pretty much have most of the place to ourselves. So guys, that right there is the cave that we were just chilling in, and we've actually found that there's an alternative exit or an alternative way in, depending on which way you come. The first waterfall was way around the side there, second waterfall just here, and then if you keep walking, you actually find the staircase here, all the way down like that, down to that orange hut. If you can make it to that orange hut in the waterfall, you found this place.
We finished up at the waterfall and then decided to turn the whole world into a waterfall. So we're just chilling, 2 hours in this.
The next day.
Good morning everybody, it's the next day. It took us 2 hours to get back from the waterfall yesterday. Current time 5:30 AM. We're gonna walk over to the colourful village, try and get some shots. We have to be at the train station just before 8 AM to catch our 8-hour train to Yogyakarta.
I fill bottles from last night. I don't even know where we are. I'm naked and I don't know yet. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now.
That is a wrap here at the Rainbow Village. What time are we at?
It is now 7:45.
Still got lots of time to make our 8 o'clock train.
Alright guys, that is the vlog. We hope you enjoyed Malang. We were only here for 2 nights, but we definitely recommend staying for at least that amount of time.
You can honestly stay for about a week. There's another town called Batu. It's a little while away, but it has so much to do. We really wish we could go there. So next time we're here, we'll be going there.
If you haven't already, make sure that you smack that subscribe button in the face. Other than that, stay safe. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Photo shoot is a wrap. If you're wondering how we set up like tripods to get photos, let me just show you the current situation here. So we got camera on top of drone bag, on top of rubbish bin, on top of stand, on top of concrete. Very resourceful.